Good food doesn't have to break the bank. Boost your body and your bottom line with a dish that's as healthy as it is affordable. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to eat healthy and save with my fun, flavorful recipe for easy Tex-Mex pasta. To kick things off, pour 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita extra virgin olive oil into a large sauté pan over medium-high heat. Follow it up with 1 cup of diced yellow onion, a diced jalapeno, 1½ teaspoons of That's Smart Italian seasoning, and sauté for 2 to 4 minutes. I love using Hy-Vee's That's Smart products because they taste incredible and are extremely affordable. Next, we're going to add in 1 pound of lean ground beef for a powerful punch of protein. Let it sizzle for approximately 6 minutes until the beef is nice and brown. Then it's time to bring on the pasta. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of Hy-Vee omega-3 rotini. Follow the pasta with 1 jar of Hy-Vee's delicious medium chunky salsa, 1 can of low-sodium chicken broth, 1 can of That's Smart diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of That's Smart tomato paste, 2 cups of That's Smart frozen corn, and 1 can of no salt added black beans. Stir all of your ingredients together, then bring them to a boil. Once you see bubbles, reduce your heat down to a simmer, cover it up, and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the pasta is nice and tender. Transfer this delicious concoction into your bowl of choice and top it off with a few finishing ingredients: Hy-Vee Mexican-style cheese, halved cherry tomatoes, cubed avocado, and freshly chopped cilantro. It doesn't get any better than that. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at Hy-Vee.com/health.